Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming model and firmware so you know which procedures apply. Power cycle immediately. Unplug for 30 seconds, hold the power button for 10 seconds, then reconnect to stable power. This often clears transient faults. Once done, connect with Ethernet and observe LEDs for power, WAN, LAN, and sync to identify failing subsystems. Make sure to record current settings or take screenshots. You'll need them if a factory reset or reflash is required later. You now run diagnostics and pull logs so you can see error codes and timestamps. Those guide the next actions. If the issue is configuration related, reapply the correct IP, gateway, DNS, and VLAN tags. Once configured, reboot and retest connectivity. If diagnostics indicate firmware corruption, prepare the official firmware image on a validated USB or use the device loader. Follow the vendor flash sequence exactly. Make sure to verify checksums before flashing to avoid bricking the unit. You finish by flashing firmware exactly per vendor instructions, watching progress and verifying the checksum. Once complete, allow the device to fully boot before touching settings. Restore saved settings selectively to avoid reintroducing the fault, and then test core services like DHCP, routing, and firewall to confirm operation. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode or load an alternate image and revert to your backup configuration. This single troubleshooting step often recovers devices without hardware replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.